a data controller can be a natural or a legal person. And when we say that, we mean a natural person like me or you, or a legal person such as a company. Typically, most times it tends to be a company, a partnership, sole trader, that sort of thing. And critical to that is that they are the person that is determining the manner and the purpose of the processing. So large companies, banks, telecommunications, entities, cambios, insurance companies, all of those companies are data controllers once you're processing personal data. So that is a data controller. That's very, very different from a data protection officer. A data protection officer is that person that is appointed by the data controller to basically oversee the management of their privacy program within their organization, as well as to do critical reporting. If there's any reports that needs to be made to the Office of the Information Commissioner, they liaise with the Office of the Information Commissioner, as well as individuals, data subjects who may have certain requests. They are that contact person. They serve as a sort of privacy ambassador within the organization. And so your data protection officer is very different from your data controller. And then just to segue to another thing is data processor. So that's where you're outsourcing something. So your data processor is basically processing data on behalf of the controller. So any kind of software provider, if you outsource certain functions, if you have certain agents that do certain things on behalf of the controller, they would be data processors. So this is not their employees. They're not persons that are employed to the organization or working in the organization. They're outside persons who are doing it on behalf of that controller. So call centers, that sort of thing, they could be data processors. So it's not a one size fits all. It really depends on the circumstances. So it's very important for you to understand what a data controller is versus a data protection officer versus a data processor. They are similar, but they're very different, and you have to get some advice to kind of understand what those terms mean.